All right, we all know how fibroid is very common around women. So I was like, let me draw these points on main causes of this and prevention of fibroid. Now, firstly, is main causes. We have the hormones, especially estrogen and progesterone. They stimulate fibroid growth. I mean, these are stuff that can be found in women. Is based on their reproduction. That is why it can be found in them. Now, also genetics, family history, increased risk. That means where the female is coming from. That is, it depends on the lineage. They may be having fibroid already. That is why she might also have to suffer it. So it's also an information too. Now, productive age, common between age 20 to 45. That is those people now that they are prone, their family is prone to this. They should look out between age 20 to 45. This kind of thing can start developing. Now, early menstruation starts period around that kind, between that kind 12. You can, if you there's a video I pinned to this I pinned that video talking about a young lady that also started her menstruation around that kind of age, but now she already have something like this. So one the next thing is obesity. It's a higher estrogen level. Now someone that is obese also have a also have a high estrogen level. Now you have low childbirth rate. Now women who hasn't given birth might have higher risk. That means if you're a woman and you haven't given birth, and you have a lineage of this kind of thing happening, it is better you do what, marry early. Better you do what, marry early. Ask your parents questions. Not every time you ask, you'll be quarreling. Ask them questions. Ask them questions and what you can do. Now, the next thing I want to talk about also common symptoms. I want to talk about now common symptoms of fibroid. Now, one is heavy or prolonged menstrual bleeding. Menstrual bleeding, that is whereby um the flow is more than normal, because normally it's supposed to take between 2 days to 5 days of menstruation. Now, when it's now more than that, and the bleeding is now much, check out, there's something wrong. Severe menstrual cramps. There are some girls that be like, it's paining me, it's paining me. It's not supposed to pain as you think. Please check yourself. Check yourself. It might be fibroid. It might be fibroid that's trying to grow in you. So if the earlier the better. Pelvic pain or pressure, whereby your waist pain, for girls, your waist pain is now paining you more than normal. Now, frequent urination, low back pain, pain during sex. That is for girls that are sexually active. Whereby you're having sex, sex is not supposed to be painful. Whereby you're not feeling pain during sex, then you need to go and check yourself. So, difficulty getting pregnant. That is people that are married now. It's very hard for the woman to get pregnant. She should always try to see her gynecologist. Let the person check her. Let the doctor check her based on this. Now we also have miscarriage. Yes, some people that may be suffering from this, may be having miscarriages. They will think it's village people. It may not actually be village people. It just may be because of they haven't checked themselves. Check yourself and know your problem. Know your problem is very, very, very important. So, but this is in some cases though, not actually all the time, but in some cases. Now, and I will just talking about natural lifestyle supports that you can use to like help yourself based on this. I'm not trying to tell you the remedy. It's not a remedy. It's just like a support, like helps but doesn't cure. Understand? Like for those people that they've seen their lineage. Okay, we have something like this in the family. Okay, how can I try to prevent this? How can I try to stabilize myself based on this? How can I work on myself to not have this? Now, maintain healthy weight. Maintain what? Healthy weight. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Some people find it hard to eat fruits and vegetables. They only want to eat normal food. They want to be packing meat and other stuff. They forget vegetables is very important. They only eat vegetable when they want to eat soup. No, you should eat vegetable consistently, even if it's rice, spaghetti, beans, whatever. Try to put vegetable. Even though you don't want to put it in your food, you can put it side by side with what you are eating. And also have the fruits too is very important. Now red meat, reduce red meat. Those that are likely to have this, please reduce your intake of red meat. Exercise regularly, very very important. Try to exercise regularly. If it's, even though it's skipping, I know some girls, I'm not saying you do push up, I'm not saying you do 20 push up, just skip. Even though it's 30 skip, 50 skip, just try and skip. It can also what help to what reduce or bring up that fibroid itself. And so that is just it. So as a person that is, at least I've said it all. So just try to watch yourself based on all these things. Try to watch yourself based on all these things. And also those that are also having this, try to what marry early. I've said it already before. Try to what marry early. So I believe with this video you've tried to understand the causes of fibroid. Causes of fibroid is mostly found in women. It's mostly found in women, and it's something that we need to work on. Thank you for watching.